AgTech Tech Tip: transfer versus stage into. On some residential projects, it may be required to complete the earthwork in multiple phases. For example, the streets may be excavated prior to the lot areas. In this case, you would enter the first phase by entering the streets only. In this example, the street has been entered to subgrade. The design perimeter daylights back to the existing surface. In 3D view, we can see the roadway surface. To see how this ties back into the existing, select the Options menu and select Stage Design. And this will display the existing outside the limits of the design perimeter. We can stage the subgrade into the existing to create a separate surface for Phase 1. Select the Utility menu. There are two options. We can transfer the subgrade to existing, or we can stage the subgrade into existing and create a new surface. You can see if we select Transfer Subgrade to Existing, the existing ground is replaced with the subgrade data in the work area. Select File, Save As, and enter a new name. Click Save. Using this method, the design data lines and sectional areas are deleted. If we select Stage Subgrade Into, set the subgrade as the reference and existing as the difference, and click New Surface. Enter a name and click OK. Click OK to stage the data. The new surface will be created. You may now enter a second phase in design. However, we must first delete the design data from the file. Return to Edit mode. Change the surface to Design Data Lines. Select Edit, select All. Press the Delete key on the keyboard or right-click and select Delete. Delete the sectional areas and report regions as well. It is also recommended to save the job to a new name to preserve the original data.